Good evening. My name is Alexander, and today I'm going to talk to you about cigars. I've been smoking cigars for about 3 years now, and I've bought many different shapes, sizes, flavors, colors. And the one thing I can tell you is that cigars are the perfect product. They're very versatile, and they fit relatively any occasion. I mean, weddings, sitting out back, sadly funerals even, but they still really inspire people to get into a group and talk. That's why you see a lot of people smoking cigars during golf, croquet, which I love to play. It's a very involved sort of experience. So firstly, the main types of cigars that you're going to come across are the Maduro, which is a bit of a darker cigar, a little bit more rich flavor profile. The Connecticut, or the Claro, which is really a lighter flavor. Often beginners will start with a lot of Connecticut's because they aren't as harsh as most people think. And then lastly, the Oscuro, which is probably one of the darkest cigars that you can come across. I mean, I've had a couple and they certainly have that richer flavor profile to them. But today, I wanted to talk to you about the San Cristobal Revalation Robusto, which is by far one of my favorite cigars. I mean, it is a cigar that I have most of in my humidor, my own personal humidor, and I found that it really fits any occasion with its flavor and with its shape and size. So I'm going to address firstly the flavor profile, and then the wrapper, binder, and filler origin, and then lastly I'll talk about the price point. So with this cigar, the San Cristobal Revelation, again, the flavor profile is dark to medium, earthy, cedary, and nutty. So really what that means is you want to pair this with sort of oaky whiskeys. If you can find nuttier flavors of coffees. I mean, those really for an early morning treat, an early morning experience, it really fits this cigar. Next, the wrapper is the outside portion of the tobacco. The filler is the most inner part, and then the binder meets where the filler and the wrapper meet. So it's right in between there. So the wrapper is from Ecuador, and the binder and the filler, most often on a lot of cigars, are going to come from the same place as with this one. And this one comes in from Nicaragua. So we really have a rich diversity of this product. And it certainly has a history to it. San Cristobal is a city in Cuba that it's named after, St. Christopher. So yeah, and lastly, the price point of this cigar is really perfect. It comes in, I don't know if you can see this, at we'll call it 50. And for $9.50, that really is a steal. Most often you'll find cigars that come in $14, $20. So this is not only good for a first smoker, a beginner experience, but it's also really well in the fact that the price point meets a lot of people's budgets, as it does mine. But anyways, thank you.